Hello, I am Satyabrata. Welcome to my channel. If you like my videos, then please share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Now I am going to discuss a MCQ problem on elimination reaction. Question is, which of the following upon treatment with tertiary butoxide followed by addition of bromine water fails to decolorize the color of bromine? So actually, color of bromine, which is red or orange color, that gets disappeared or that gets decolorized in the presence of alkene. What happens? So let's say this is alkene and this is bromine. This is pi bond. Now if we answer this question from molecular orbital concept, then sigma molecular orbital is filled, but sigma star of Br is vacant. So we can assume that pi cloud attacks sigma star of Br bond. So what happens? So we'll expect a cyclic bromonium ion. Now we have water molecules. Now water is a good nucleophile, so and cyclic bromonium ion is not so much stable because there is a too much bond strain due to triangular shape. So water molecule attacks halogen bearing bromine bearing carbon atom, so CBr bond breaks, so we will get OH2 plus. Why OH2 plus? Because here number of bond arising from oxygen is 3, so that is why we need to put a positive charge. Now we have Br minus, so Br minus will abstract the hydrogen, and the OH bonded electron moves on oxygen atom, so charge gets neutralized. So we will have this compound. Okay, so it's a kind of halohydrin ring. Now that is why color of bromine gets disappeared, because bromine reacts with alkene. Now here we have to find out the compound where elimination reaction will not happen, because tertiary butoxide is a base, it's a reagent of elimination reaction. So we have to find out the compound where elimination reaction is not possible. So what is the main criteria of elimination reaction for the substrate? Substrate should contain beta hydrogen. So first I am starting with A. So option A. So this is alpha carbon, this is beta carbon, so this is beta hydrogen. Okay, so easily tertiary butoxide, which is a very good base, abstract the beta hydrogen and we'll get corresponding alkene. Okay, so option A is not the answer, because bromine will decolorize in the presence of this alkene. So next, option B. Option B is this one. So this is alpha carbon, this is beta carbon, and we have beta hydrogen. Okay, so again tertiary butoxide can easily abstract the beta hydrogen and we'll get corresponding alkene, and that alkene decolorizes the bromine water. Okay, so let's say option D. This is beer, this is pH. Now this is alpha carbon, this is beta carbon, so this is beta hydrogen. Now we have tertiary butoxide. So tertiary butoxide absorbs the beta hydrogen and bromine leaves from the system. It's a pure elimination reaction. So we'll have corresponding alkene, and again that alkene decolorizes the bromine color of bromine water. So now option C. Now what happens in the in option C? Yeah. So this is option C. This is bromine. So in option C, here only we don't have any beta hydrogen, because here there is no beta hydrogen. There is no beta hydrogen. Then elimination reaction is not possible. So in presence of sodium tertiary butoxide, so there is no beta hydrogen for tertiary butoxide, so there will be no reaction, no elimination reaction, no elimination reaction. So this compound cannot decolorize the color of bromine water, color of bromine. So option C is the answer. So thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Bye.